So what's going on, guys? My name is Dwayne and welcome back to the channel if you joined me before, and welcome if you're joining me for the first time. Now, in this video, it is the final chapter of the engine bay refresh which I've been doing on this Clio trophy. So I've done quite a few videos on this, guys, so if you are just jumping in on the last one, which this video is, then feel free to go back and just watch the other 2 or 3 which I've done on this so far, and then the whole journey will just make more sense to you. So again, if you haven't watched previous videos, just a slight recap is all I'm going for is just a really nice fresh OEM look on the engine bay. Guys, you can go to town with this stuff and start stripping things down and whatnot, but my intentions were just to do a nice light refresh on the engine bay. So everything, all the main visual parts of the engine bay, what you'll be able to see, those are the things which I actually targeted to get done, basically. So in this video, what we're going to do is all the parts what got freshened up in the previous video, they're all going back on, guys. So it is the final lap, and to be honest, I'm looking forward to seeing how it looks on camera, and so we can carry on and get on to the next project, basically. Tick. Tick. Also, guys, if you wouldn't mind liking the video if you do like it, and commenting if it's positive, leave it out if it's not, and subscribing. It will massively help the channel. Thanks. So there you have it, guys. You've seen the whole process now. You've seen all the videos in the past. Again, if you haven't, go and check out the other engine bay refresh videos where I started off cleaning the engine bay, just giving it like a light detail, and then we went through all the different stages to where I am now. So yeah, so you've seen the engine bay, you know, get put all back together. You've seen a bit of the cinematics, how it looks now. Yeah, that's it. That is it for the engine bay right now. Like I said before, there's other little bits and pieces to do in there, but you'll see that stuff over time. They're little small minor pieces and, you know, not worthy of a whole video. So when there's enough of it, I'll put it all together, and then, you know, that will make enough for a video, so to speak. But yeah, also guys, as you may have noticed from the cinematics, there is an induction kit, the standard one, missing. So that will kind of give you a little hint as to where what we're kind of doing for the next video, or maybe the next one after that. So there's a little insight there. But other than that, guys, that's it for this week. Again, if you wouldn't mind liking, subscribing, commenting if it's positive, leaving it out if it's not, and I will catch you in the next one, guys. Ooh, also as well, I did my first feature the other week, so look out for that one as well. All right, take care, guys. See you soon.